Today, I want to talk about how to remove a stuck dryer vent brush from the dryer vent. These dryer vent brushes are sold in retail stores or online at places like Amazon, Target, or Walmart. Sometimes the head becomes loose from the rod or the individual rod sections unscrew from each other, in which case it plugs up the dryer vent. These rods and the brushes can be very challenging to fish out, especially if the duct goes through a wall or overhead into the ceiling. Here's an example of a brush that's sitting in a metallic vent. You can try to fish out the rod or the brush yourself, but you'll need a couple items to do this. First of all, you'll need an endoscope. I got mine from Amazon. I got the DEPSTECH 7-inch IPS screen Borescope. It has triple lenses and you can change the angle of the view that you want to look at. Additionally, in order to fish the endoscope through, you'll need a fish tape wire puller. In this case, I used the DEPSTECH fish tape wire puller found on Amazon for $25.99. It's a 50-foot, 15-meter cable. Finally, you'll need some electrical tape and a small rare earth magnet that you can tape onto the fish tape. Using the remaining flexible rod connection pieces that did not get lost in the dryer vent, connect some pieces together and tape the fittings so that they don't come loose. Then take the electrical tape and tape on the rare earth magnet to the end of the flexible rod. The goal will be to catch the metal part of the stuck flexible rod with the rare earth magnet to pull it out. Once you have taped the endoscope onto your fish tape, feed it into the dryer vent until you can find the rod or the brush inside. Next, feed your flexible rod with the rare earth magnet on the end through the dryer vent and try to connect the magnet with the metal part on the flexible rod that's stuck inside of the dryer vent. Here in the video is an example. Once your rare earth magnet has caught the metal part of the flexible rod or the dryer head, slowly pull, ensuring that you don't put too much sudden force to disconnect the magnet from the metal piece. Keep pulling until your rod is most of the way out, then stick your hand up into the dryer vent and grab the rod or the brush and pull it all the way out, and then you're done.